Alright guys, welcome back to another recap. It is a green day, and before I go over my trade review and all my trades, I'm actually going to show you guys a live trade right here, right now. So I'm going to play that for you guys, and I need you guys to help me answer one question. And that question is, am I a full-time day trader, or am I a Mexican, Spanish, soccer commentator? So you guys watch this video and let me know what you guys think. Didn't quite get it. Lower ad here maybe. Watching. Back in down there. I want to see the buyer step up on this one. I don't think this one's just going to give it all out. So I want to see this thing recover down there and keep popping back up and see if we can retrace back over that 307. Oh, beautiful ads, bro. Beautiful ads. Holy moly macaroni. Off to the races. Here we go. 302 stop and plays. 5,000 shares. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Vamos, vamos, vamos. Vamos, 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 vamos. Dale, 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 dale. Dale, 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 dale. Ah! Oh! I was up $1,000. So, even though I was a commentator, it looks like we didn't get the goal, we didn't get the squeeze, we didn't get the score, but it looks like we're still winning up on the game, up $679 on that trade. Yeah, I was up 1,000. I was looking for that squeeze, so I'm going to take this out. And then show you guys my actual trade review. So this is what I'm ending at today. By the way, guys, if you guys are new here and you like that live stream, that live trade, hit the thumbs up, comment down below. What am I, and then two, I do stream live every single day, completely free. I don't charge anything for you guys to see me, and some of those levels I was calling a little bit early, so I anticipated that drop. I bought into it and then had a nice pop. Unfortunately, we didn't get the squeeze, but I'll go over that. But I do stream right here on YouTube every single day, completely free. Just hit that notification bell and you can trade with, I had almost 200 people this morning, and so it's a pretty nice community. You'll learn a lot watching me trade, so you guys can do that right here on YouTube or on TradeCaster.com as well, whichever one you guys want. If you're not subscribed to the channel and you like my recaps, you like my live trading, please subscribe to the channel. Please hit the thumbs up on my videos. That's all I ask for. So, actual recap now. I'm up $403 today. That was my first trade, and you guys saw that I locked in $479 on it, or $679 on it. And then I ended up giving some profit back on that one, and then I jumped into AHG and I gave some profits back on that one. So unrealized, I was up about $1,000 today, but at the end of the day, I'm only up 400. But that's okay, 400 today, 850 yesterday, almost $1,000 on Monday. So that's a good-looking week already, and still have 2 days left. But I'm gonna go over these trades here. I do daily recaps as well, so you'll expect a recap every single day. The first trade was SNOA. First thing I noticed on this one is the 200 moving average was holding above 307. Actually, if I put my camera on the right side, you guys can see my daily chart perfect. So if you guys see on my daily chart down here, we got that 200 moving average at 307, sorry. It was like 304, yeah, 304. And so spiked up, started holding 304. And that is why I was looking at this flag over that 200, so you can see all these spikes down here were above the 200 moving average, and they were spiking down to the 200 moving average. So I was trying to anticipate to get some of those ads down there and see if we can get the stock to pop up to a new high. I am very surprised. If you shorted this stock, if you were short on this stock, screw you, because this stock was so heavy. It was so heavy. This thing could not go. I'm just kidding. If you guys were short, hopefully you guys caught a short and fading it down. Congratulations. I wish I could short some of these stocks. But anyways, I took that long trade there. That was this trade here. At the top of that candle, I was up $1,000. If this thing would have just ripped an extra 10 cents, 15 cents to high of day, I would have been looking at 1.5K, maybe 2K if this thing took off all the way to 350. But unfortunately, that didn't happen. Let me go ahead and show my trades here so you guys can see them. It looks like I tried it again after that. Oh wait, no, that was that trade. So I was up $100 on this trade here, but did the same thing. This one I got a high fill. I was trying to snipe this down here, and let me show you exactly what I was trying to snipe there. This kind of a downtrend. So downtrend, we broke out of it, and I was trying to snipe that retest right here. I got a pretty high fill, so 304 was my entry, and I took 5K shares. I wish I would have gone closer to the bottom, 299, 298. Looks like it hit 298, so I was definitely filled 6 cents off the low. That was a little bit iffy, but got out of that trade $100 or something, and then I got this trade where I was up $1,000 and only locked in $700 total. I think I took this trade up here, kind of catching the bounce here of 320. I was looking for the bounce of 320. Also got in a little early. I think I got 327. Was trying to get just the breakout through a new high of day. Nice candle squeeze. Maybe micro pullback, 1 minute candle pullback, anything like that. And then I was looking for this thing to open up to 335. Unfortunately, it didn't. So that's the one I lost like $70 on. And then I think this right here, I was already done trading. No, this not. I remember this one. I don't remember this one. I guess same thing. Trying to just anticipate the break of high day. And it looks like this trade was a pretty scratch even trade. It looks like I made. Oh, this is the one I made like $5 on or something like that. Because I was down to 600 even. And I made $5 on this trade. So that was pretty scratch even. Scratch even. This was a big trade of the day. I could have added more here maybe. But at this point, this is kind of rejected a lot. So I got a little skeptical about it. And definitely missed the move up to 330. But shorts were so heavy on the stock. I could feel it. I knew that they were there. I just thought if we did squeeze some of these guys out, we could get a nice pop, kind of like some of the stocks have been doing yesterday and on Monday, SONN. Once you got rid of all those shorts, had a very nice pop, very nice squeeze. If you want to see the live trade or recap, just check yesterday's recap. I showed the live trade as well, I believe. If not, you can see on my previous live trades. The next stock was FRZA. Oh, this is the one that I basically just took the last trade at the very end. Like I literally just sat down for my recap and I was like, this is popping up, trying to hold VWAP. Took an ad here. This was pretty low volume. I probably shouldn't have taken this, but it was holding all of this, so I started buying the flag there and anticipating the move. Looks like I would have gone in anyways, but I got a bad fill on the way in and I got a bad fill on the way out. So I think I literally just by spreads or just low volume in that stock, I gave back $15. So that was kind of dumb. And then AHG. So AHG. This is the one that really upset me today. So this was after the SON play where I was up, already 600 on the day and I was looking good. And then I came back and traded this one. And this is one that kind of upset me because if I see this trade set up any other day, I will 100% of the times take it again. It's just unfortunate that today didn't happen. And again, everything was feeling pretty heavy this morning. SNOA was heavy, FRZA was heavy, and so when this stock started popping up, I wasn't thinking of that. I saw this pivot here. I saw the surge of volume. Look at this nice volume here. It's like 4 times as big as the morning. So it was looking good. It breaks through that high of day, and then it started pulling back here. 1 candle, 2 candles, 3 candles, and kind of low volume. And my target on this one, I kind of didn't look at the daily, honestly. When I saw this, it was already down here. So I was like, you know what? We might just put in a quick little 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute flag here. And then we might go up and at least test $1. I was like, if people are going to be short in this thing, or if you can even short this thing, I guess, is this under $1. I was like, at least we might hit $1. I can probably get one leg out of this stock, one nice last push to $1. Sorry, I just had the hiccups. To $1, and then maybe fade or maybe hold sideways or whatever. But this thing pulled back and it just was not catching a bounce at that pivot. It just couldn't. And so I think at one point on this trade I was up 200. It flashed 200 real quick and I saw it on some of these spikes, but just kept pulling back, and finally decided to cut it right there. And I'm glad I did. I look back at it and I'm like, okay, I lost $186. I don't like that. It's frustrating. I was up almost 1,000. I'm finishing 400. But, this is a discipline. If you take a trade and that move doesn't happen, that trade doesn't happen, that break it doesn't happen, that bounce doesn't happen, just cut it. I cut it out there. I cut it pretty high, so at 83. So I cut it somewhere around here for $186 loss. And if I would have held it a minute later, I would have been down probably 250, 300. If I would have held it 5 minutes later, if I would have held it an hour later, I'd be back holding the stock and I would have definitely been down almost half of my position. That's from 50 cents to 95 cents. That was almost half of my money in here. So I am definitely glad I did not do that. Cut the loss out, and that's it. Scratch red trade, get it out of the way, and I'm done. But if I see the setup again, I would definitely take on any other stock. And that's pretty much it. Pretty slow day. I know there's an announcement later on in the day, so maybe that's why today was slow. Market's definitely going to go crazy later on. So if you guys are not familiar with that, definitely be careful. I'm sure SPY is either going to rip or either going to dump, depending on the news. But other than that, guys, I appreciate you guys coming into this recap. Like I say before, please hit the thumbs up if you like, and please leave some comments down below. I will see you guys tomorrow for live trading right here on YouTube, completely free. Hit that notification bell and you'll be notified when I go live 15 minutes before market opens. I start looking at the gappers, any possible stocks, any trades that I will be looking at, and then we trade market open for about 2 hours, 2.5 hours. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. If not, I'll see you guys again on the recap tomorrow as well. You guys have a good rest of your day. If you're still trading, I guess there's still 2-3 hours left in the market. If you're still trading, like I said, be careful for that announcement. Other than that, guys, you guys have a good one. I'll see you guys tomorrow.